I like the fact that paper is a very humble material. When I take this lightweight piece of tissue paper, I want to twist life into it. I want it to become alive. Every single piece, every single component of this installation is hand twisted. My name is Marianne Eriksen, Scott-Hansen. I'm an artist and designer. My preferred medium is paper. My piece for Mindcraft this year is a pollination plant shelter system. My idea was to build an organic shelter made entirely out of tissue paper. A bit of a paradox maybe, but it symbolizes pretty much the sort of contradictory challenges that I'm motivated by in my work. There's a lot of contradictions in my work. On one side, the paper is a fragile sheet of organic material, and on the other hand, it can transform into strong, powerful new shapes, a close resemblance to the nature it originally came from.